Hey, MSc Bioinformatics and Computational Genomics from Queen's University, Belfast is a one-year full-time master's level course, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. Bioinformatics and Computational Genomics is an interdisciplinary field at the heart of biomedical research, discovery and practice. With its challenging and rewarding content, this master's degree will provide students with a background in computational or life sciences the opportunity to move into an exciting new area of discovery, technology, and application. This conversion course provides a solid foundation in data analytical skills, which will enable graduates to make the transition into careers in bioinformatics. The analysis of big data provides the key to unlocking the cause and development of various diseases such as cancer. It offers the prospect of developing new drugs and therapies to prevent and treat conditions and diseases. You will be analyzing clinical and genomics data in order to find complex patterns relating to patient response to treatments and prognosis. All this shall be complemented by guest lectures from industrial and clinical collaborators. You will discover results that translate to the real world through clinical trials or commercialization. You will use your vision to find unique solutions to clinical and biological problems, and by the end of the degree, you will be ready to work within a multidisciplinary team alongside bioinformaticians, biologists, and clinicians from the Patrick G. Johnston Center for Cancer Research. Queen's Belfast was ranked 8th in the UK for research intensity, and it is the only Russell Group university in Northern Ireland. Queen's is ranked in the top 140 universities in the world for graduate prospects. To know more about the Queen's University Belfast or to speak to the university delegate for one-on-one discussion, log on to speaktouniversity.com. Follow the link in the description.